So today I'm gonna 3D print some cup holders for my car and see how they come out. So it's pretty easy to remove this cubby. It's just held on by two of these push pins that screw on. Took it off from the right side. Just gotta take off the left side real quick. So this is the push pin right here. Two screws off. Pretty easy. Now to remove it, you just gotta spread the cheeks a bit. Pops right off. First thing I'm gonna do is make a mounting bracket that reuses the original hardware. Then I'm gonna make a cup holder that mounts to the bracket. Now this part is pretty big, it's almost a foot long, but luckily it fits my printer and printed with no problems. Now for these, I modeled them after the original cup holders, including the rubber grips, and I added some storage in the back to hold a credit card or something. These should slide into the bracket I just made. Now unfortunately the supports failed for the rubber grips, but we'll see how they come out. So here it is. Came out pretty good still. Have a couple cups to try out. Oh, it's pretty good. They're two different sizes, so should work with a variety of cups. Small soda can. Should be good enough. And I have this big ass cup that'll work for the big piece. Real tight on that side. Now to install it. Pretty easy to remove, there's only 6 screws holding it on. And this is the piece we're going to install. Drops right in. Now in order to install it, we're just gonna clip these back in and insert the 2 screws on the side, and it should be all set. Next time I'm going to be adding a cubby or some storage to the bottom half of the bracket. For now I'm gonna see how these hold up. If you have any suggestions, let me know.